Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to download the Netflix app on your Mac. As I've mentioned, there is no official Netflix app for Mac. So I'm going to show you how to create a web app, which allows you to turn any website into an application on your Mac. Let's get started. First things first, open your Safari web browser. Once you've done that, go to the URL bar at the top and search for netflix.com. Alright, now that we're on the Netflix website, we need to turn it into an application. To do this, click on the File tab at the very top of your screen. Then, scroll down and click on Add to Dock. From here, you can rename the app to whatever you like. I'm going to rename it Netflix. You can also change the URL, but I'll keep it as netflix.com. Once you're ready, click Add. Now, this is going to add the application to your dock. As you can see, my Safari web browser is still open. But if I open the new application I just created, it opens as an independent app. That means I can close my Safari web browser, and the Netflix app will still run. From here, you can go ahead and sign into the Netflix app and start using it just as you normally would. Because this behaves as a normal app on our Mac, we can search for it via Spotlight Search, and we can also launch the application through Launchpad just like a normal app. If you'd like to delete the Netflix app from your Mac, simply quit the application and then drag the application into the bin. And that's it, the app has been deleted. Remember, you can do this with any website of your choice, such as Facebook, YouTube, etc. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more FixZone content.